There we go. We got a D8T we're going to move today. She's a balmy 33 degrees this morning. So she's been sitting here a while. So we're going to get up in the cab and fire it up. Okay, we're in the cab here. Got our key here. That's all the magic. All the magic in the world right there. Anyhow, make sure our park brake is on. Crank her up here. Wait for everything to warm up for just a second. And there we go. We'll crank her up. Wow, that was pretty dramatic. Good unit here. She is. Okay, so on this side here, for down, up, that's a ripper. Pick that up. And you got the finger controls right here. How to roll it in. We're going to curl it all the way towards the machine so we can load it up. Otherwise it'll catch the trailer when we back it on. So, and then we got right here, this here's for Dozer. Gonna move 4 ways, up, down. So up, down. And some of these are thumb switch, this one's a left, right. So it'll curl that cylinder in or out. And what that does, get her up here so you can see the top. So the reference line for being level would be your hood, right? So we left and right, that's how we can put a slope as you start cutting. So as you can see, it's one cylinder on that side, just a push bar on this side. So, but I gotta get out and let this warm up for just a few minutes before we try and move it. I gotta shovel off the front of this thing. Gotta love it when they leave everything on the front. Now that I got my least favorite tool put away, got the blade all shoveled out, cracks are all cleaned out, best I can do here. Some of that stuff is frozen. Look how big them things are. In there. Okay. Put this up here. Make sure there's nothing else left on there. But don't you still look cold. Quick release doesn't quite want to work yet. Could take a little while for that. But brake pedal, D accelerator works backwards. That's wide open, that's idled down. So we hold that down, flip her up the rabbit. Now get it to where you can see the tach. Okay. Click her forward, right there. Let off the brake. Oh, Park brake is still on. There you go. Now we're in gear. It's like a giant skid steer. And the little roller thumb switch. That's all it is to it. Got the trailer all set up. So, trailer is 9 foot wide on the deck. Well, it's 26 feet long. Okay. We'll back her up on here. Now, if I turn you around here. Okay. So where the center eye would be there, we're going to run that right down the center of the trailer. Biggest thing is once you get up on there, you don't want to turn because you'll tear everything up. So we'll see if we can get you stuck up here in the top somehow, some way. Maybe. I don't think so. Well, it ain't gonna work. I couldn't find no place to stick you, so we're just eyeball it here. See what we can see here. These are on up here. It's always the roughest point there when you first tip over. She finds that balancing point. Now once you're up on the deck, you can turn a little bit. It won't hurt much. There's traction grousers on the ramps. If you twist on them, you'll rip the ramps right off. So I'm gonna try and get that lined up here. I got kind of reference points. I've moved this stuff quite a bit, so we're gonna take a peek here. And I'm trying to watch that ripper tooth down there. I gotta get it just on the top edge of that ramp. So give me 1 second, I'll be right back with you. Just like so. Down here. So you see how that side wants to, we're touching on that side. So that means I'm gonna twist her just a little bit. You want to feel it. That way she's balanced out on there. So. Alright. Get down, we'll chain her up. Get that chain you think is just strung tight, right? Okay, it won't move at all, right? Yep, that'll be there forever. Your best friend. Look at that shit. Do it a few times, touch your tight. Okay, I always wait to tighten these chains up here until we get ready to lift it up. We've already bumped the trailer. There you go, that one there really moved. There you go. Now we'll tighten them up. So when you are hauling the oversized stuff, it's always nice to have a grade stake. Line that up to our widest point. And we'll call that 14 wide. Get the graffiti can out here. Make some non-movable flags. Nothing like having a giant can opener out here. There we go. So it's always good to have clean taillights. Got my pressure washer in a can. There you go. Well, we've made it on the road finally. Well, we're probably like 45 minutes down the road actually. But from the fog line to the zipper, about 12 foot 6 roughly. We're tickling the center line, zipper. And we are way over there. About 2.5 feet or so. So a little safety notice when you got an oversized moving here. Don't drop in front of them right away. If there's a dead car sitting on that shoulder, there's no hope for them. Because I can't move over fast enough if there's somebody alongside me. So always leave a little extra room in front. That's always kind. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.